Estonia. It's kind of like Atlantis. You've heard about it, but where is it and what is it all about? And is there a design community here? I've come to explore. So Ilona, what is Estonian design?
Estonian design is a mixture of heritage, tradition, skills, combined with innovation, digitalization, and focusing on sustainability and creating new materials.
And you have a festival.
And we have a festival. In translation, it's called Design Night, Design Year. At first, it was one night long, but nowadays it's 1 week because there is so many stories to tell and so many exhibitions to show. And the longest design night prolonged for 1 month.
One of the biggest problems in clothing industry is actually waste. 73% of clothes put on the market ends up in the landfill in EU. So here is one example of mechanical recycling. We are using post-consumer waste. We collect the products people don't use anymore, and then we shred it, then we make fiber out of it, then yarn, and then the final product is...
Ah, I see.
Here is one very good example of recycling. This is 100% recycled wool, but the way how the product is made is fully circular. They knit it a similar way how the 3D printing is done, so it's like circular like this. And it's all waste-free, all the production.
So that's 73% of clothes that ends up in the garbage. If everyone designed like this, that would be 0?
Yeah, that would be a dream. But there is another whole story behind it. For that, we have to go to the factories where all the jeans are made. That's the way how we use the leftovers materials and bring them back to production. And we call that industrial upcycling. And that's the simplest and the most effective way to reduce waste in the fashion industry.
So UPMADE is your innovation.
Yeah, you can say that. We developed this UPMADE certification scheme together with Stockholm Environmental Institute. And since that, we have been going around the factories, certifying them and helping them to become waste-free.
This is incredible.
So Lexi, Estonia is a very entrepreneurial country. Almost everybody has a company as a side business or their main business, but if they have a full day job, even then they can create a company because it's very easy, there is hardly any bureaucracy, and it's cost effective.
So what is e-residency?
E-residency is an access to Estonian digital services. We are the only country in the world that has completely digitalized all the government services, including business services. So e-residents come from 180 different countries in the world. They apply and they get this card that